Some people say that in the AI era, you don't need to learn programming to become a good programmer. What do you think about this point of view? This question is very good, and is also causing a lot of controversy in the tech community today. I will share my objective point of view. First, AI makes learning programming easier. It does not mean it is not necessary. It is true that with AI like ChatGPT, Copilot, you can write code faster, find bugs easier, understand difficult concepts through simple explanations. But if you do not understand the nature of programming, then you will not know if the AI code is correct or not. When errors occur, you cannot fix them. You do not design a good system but just copy-paste. Second, the foundation is still important. A good programmer is not just about coding. They understand logic, data structures, algorithms. They know how to design, optimize, read documentation, work in teams. They know when to use AI and when to code by themselves. My conclusion is, AI is an assistant, not a replacement for programming thinking. Third, people who don't learn programming can still create simple apps. With no code, low-code platforms like Bubble, Glide, Flutter Flow, AppGyver, or use AI to generate code and then edit it lightly. This helps many non-developers to still be able to implement ideas. But to reach the level of a good programmer, you still need to learn and understand the nature. In short, AI helps you learn programming faster. It does not replace learning. You don't need to learn too deeply at first. But if you don't learn anything, you cannot go the long way in the IT industry. And of course, you will not be able to become a good programmer.